Hey there, buddy. Come on down and sit a spell. Bring that fancy camera of yours. My name is John. I'm an incident manager in North Carolina. I like coming out to our floating house in the Louisiana bayou. The swamp is very relaxing if you don't mind the critters and an occasional ghost or two. I promise they are harmless apparitions. So this is where I come to relax and think up my best AI tricks and tips. Don't mind Billy. He's our pet alligator and resident garbage disposal. He mostly eats fish heads and guts, but really enjoys pizza crusts. He'll jump right up onto the dock for a slice. Instead of just asking an AI to solve a hard problem or analyze a messy situation, prompt it to walk you through its reasoning, step by step, before giving the final answer. Why does this matter? When you just demand an immediate answer to a complex problem, the AI essentially tries to sprint straight to the finish line. It guesses, and sometimes it trips and falls flat on its virtual face. But when you force it to explain its logic first, three amazing things happen. First, accuracy skyrockets. It dramatically reduces hallucinations and errors because the AI has to build its answer logically, piece by piece. Second, total transparency. You get to see the math. If the final conclusion is a little weird, you can look at the steps and pinpoint exactly where it took a wrong turn. Third, deeper analysis. You unlock richer, more nuanced insights instead of superficial cookie-cutter summaries. So the next time you need AI tools to do some heavy lifting, don't just ask for the destination, tell it to map out the journey. Prompt it to think out loud. Your projects and your sanity will thank you. Now be sure to come back soon. Maybe I'll whip you up some spicy crawfish and Cajun-style catfish stew. Yes, sir. Good eating.